There are approximately 12,737 operational spaza shops within 3 Gauteng metros. About 7,071 of the total spaza shops are operated by foreign nationals.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. Guys, sometimes we have to tell each other the truth. We are given the opportunity to register our businesses. We register for foreign nationals and take those businesses and give it to illegal foreign nationals. And then tomorrow we complain that the government is failing us. We are living in shacks, but we are given houses. What we are doing to ourselves, to our children, is not fair.
The next thing le blame as a mush. One of them every day as a mush, or now we are harboring the illegal, the undocumented. Do you agree with that statement, or Rena? Nagili popular Matubali MEC Mateli General Scapers, we are harboring illegal. Who is harboring illegal? It's you. I can kill a nugget. Penumara, they will not look at this thing. Kill another change much. I want to pampir, but I'm really. Kerizamubula Liumu Haboti, Unur Habatamaya, which is not Masin, Ushala Tula Yapa. How would they know more? Why were not king? City Filabatu. Entitlement. You have given people the ownership. You will be held accountable for harboring people who do not have documents. With how many cases? Wanted cases, criminal activity. So do you, I understand? For murder, for house breaking, for all those things. We are not playing games. Criminal record for harboring. You have had it. Everybody who would eat for it. You can't keep people with no documents in the country. And illicit cigarette, drugs, keep back room challenge. Never saying if back room challenge. So the owner of the RDP house has rented this spaza shop to Barabudi Chekopwa. Such information. You know, you think we are playing mama. We know, we have already been informed. This is an RDP house. They've rendered it over to King Pakistani or King Somalia or King. And then you have been hired to work.
Very
Okay. Carlos out with it. I grow again, Kerala Fatigam. But you does it be. And then when Mungal the family last again. When over regular manga.
Over a shop on Yama.
Shop on the yard.
Ibelia house. On a one other Logama.
Yeah, I put one packet. Yeah,
Yama.
I put one. Yeah, hi.
Yeah, man.
You are also having.
I put one.
Yeah.
I'll need more. Where's the others?
Yeah.
Where's the others? You cannot only have
no,
one.
No, she started hiding them.
What is Shama? Yeah, Nagama.
Must stay. Really, I put them alone.
Why, when all one of them?
Kirobala, Rumia, can get the Robala, but the shop yet.
Now, Lurakan. Mama, shop where Gali, I do not permit. So the social Aristopanamo. You are here illegal, anyway, in an operating this shop illegally, so I can ma'am. So we're here to say you close your shop, you pack everything, you go home until you got everything that is needed in our country. And you are even promoting your cigarette from your home. The illegal ones, which is destroying South Africans cigarettes. Why are you buying these cigarettes?
Where did you buy them?
Okay, you
have the
police, mama. You know what?
When I rega
Mama, you robala kamolene, o tlhapa kamolene, o bo rekisetsa bana ba borena ba jema rotho ali and ona le magotlo ka.
So you see what we are doing to ourselves, even to our children. You harbor someone who don't even know why he is in the country, why he ran away from where he is coming from. You take these people, you keep them inside your house, and you have children in your house. Even yourself, you are not safe. We cannot continue to blame the government when we are doing worse than the government. Even if the government is opening borders for them to come, if we are not offering them accommodation, of course they will go back to where they are coming from, or they will go to other countries. They will not stay in South Africa because they will not have a place to stay. So we are not better than our government. We are not better than our corrupt officials. We are part of these people who are destroying Israel. We have to admit that.
Criminal activity. Back room. So do you understand? For murder, for housebreaking, for all those things. Africa is easy to get them have committed the murder because fingerprints. So we are not playing games. Criminal record for harboring. You have had it. Everybody you can't keep people with no documents in the country. And illicit cigarette, drugs, keep back room challenge. Never got to say if not Sababia put back room challenge. Oh, you see now. It's not even in must then give the owner of the RDP house. So the owner of the RDP house has rented this spaza shop to Barabudi Chekoko. Certain information. You think we are playing mama? We know we have already been informed. This is an RDP house. They've rendered it over to King Pakistani or King Somalia over King. And then you have been hired to work.
Very
and then wena o berekela manga
o bereka shopong ya mama
shopo ne ya
e be ile ya hao bona bjalo ke ya mama
you are also having
I've got one.
Yeah.
I'll need more. Where's the others? Yeah. Where's the others? You cannot only have
no,
one.
she started hiding them.
Yena ke ma
master ile ayo kude malo
why wena o le bona ka
ke robala rumia ka ne ke robala ka kwa ke re shopo le ya
Now look over again. Mama, shop e ke le mara ya I didn't permit. So the social ya ga ya kere. Aristopena na mo. You are here illegal again. Anyway, in an operating this shop illegally so I can ma'am. So we are here to say you close your shop, you pack everything, you go home until you got everything that is needed in our country. And you are even promoting your cigarette from your home.
The illegal ones, which is destroying South Africans cigarettes.
Why are you buying this cigarette? You are here illegal again. Anyway, in an operating this shop illegally so I can ma'am. So we are here to say you close your shop, you pack everything, you go home until you got everything that is needed in our country. And you are even promoting your cigarette from your home.
The illegal ones, which is destroying South Africans cigarettes.
Why are you buying these cigarettes?
You see what we are saying about these people who say they are selfish. This mother brought these cigarettes here in South Africa from Zimbabwe for the youth of South Africa to smoke these cigarettes. Bakule bese beyafa. Uyazi ukuthi this is a fake cigarette. It's not okay. It's not safe for a human being to smoke these cigarettes. Uyazi, she is aware of that. She will never allow her own children to smoke these cigarettes or even members of her family to smoke these cigarettes because uyazi ukuthi this cigarette is fake and ungagulisa umuntu afe. Yizo ke izinto esizishoyo ukuthi ugovernment uyazenza izinto uvula amabhoda allowing these people to do whatever they want in this country but thina siyalekelela. Sibanika i-access ukuthi benze noma yini, sibanika i-authority yokuthi benze umathanda ezweni lethu, babulale abantu ezweni lethu. With our permission, they enrich themselves here in our own country with our own money. So uyabona ukuthi why ngithi we are wrong as well. Even if yena ezakhe ingane azobhemi logwayi, what about the youth of this country? Akanandaba nabo. Yena uselfish ngokuthi if ethole imali ye-rent from that tuck shop, it's okay, it's fine. And we all know the truth ukuthi those tuck shops were registered by us, registering for illegal foreign nationals. Ukuthi they must continue to take over our country, and then tomorrow we cry and complain that our country is overcrowded, we are not working, we don't have opportunities, we are living in shacks. The government gave us RDP houses, they allowed us to run tuck shops, but we are taking those tuck shops and give it to foreign nationals. And then tomorrow we come and cry to March and March, to Dudula and all other organizations that are fighting for this country, complaining about the same government. Okuphe indle ye-RDP wachuza ukuyohlala emkhukhwini wayonika illegal foreigner. And as soon as that illegal foreigner take that house by force, a hijacker it's a yakhe. That is when you remember that there is Dudula, there is March and March, there is Amaphoyisa. You run and cry to the same government ukuthi akakunaki is allowing these illegal foreigners to take your houses, this and that. Forgetting ukuthi wena, even some of these houses ezihijackwa ama-foreign nationals, most of those houses thina siwanika wona sithi awarente out without even knowing ukuthi lowo muntu legally in the country or not. We rent out our houses to them. Then after that, whether baya ku-unalive or bayithatha uphila ngenkani bayi-hijacker from wena. And if you are going to report them ukuthi they are hijacking your house, this and that, then those departments will tell you you don't have a right to kick them out of your house. You have to find an alternative accommodation for them. Then it becomes so difficult for you. You blame the same government to say they don't want to help you, they don't want to assist you. Illegal foreigners, they are refusing to leave your house, and then the government is telling you to find alternative accommodation. Forgetting ukuthi it was you even from the beginning obanikile leyandlu. And we are telling ukuthi stop giving these people accommodation. Stop giving people accommodation. You don't even know if they are legally or illegal. And when you are doing it, after that, you blame other people. You see? So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.